Hi guys, welcome back to Shan Kitchen. It's your girl Shan, and in my kitchen you are welcome to come look around and stay. For all my returning family members, I welcome you, welcome back. I appreciate you all so much. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and please hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post. Okay, so today I am going to show you guys how I make my turmeric vegetable rice. I love rice and peas, I love white rice, I love all types of rice, but this is my favorite because it has a lot of health benefits. So I try to incorporate the turmeric in most of my cooking videos with the apple cider vinegar as well. That's not gonna be here, I'm just telling you. So I have my lovely ingredients, so I'm gonna show you so we can get started. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna incorporate a little olive oil. We have here, to get the water in, we have our lovely rice. So just throw it out. It's not brown, it's just regular white rice. It's not even washed as yet, but we'll do that. We have the turmeric powder. You know, this is so healthy. This is healthy. You guys need to read up on this a lot. We have our garlic cloves, this too. We have escallion. I wanted green thyme, I only find a little dry, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not what you have, it's how the chef do it. Okay. I have a lovely green pepper. I have a coconut milk powder here. I have some frozen mixed vegetables. We love vegetables. I have a piece of margarine and a little salt. So you see, this is easy and delicious. So we're gonna get started. So first thing first, I gotta light my stove. So we're gonna get straight into it, alright? So first thing I'm gonna do, normally add just a little of the olive oil, not a lot guys. Whatever oil you have, that's okay. It don't matter, alright? Our garlic. Want some flavors to burst out. So first thing, we're going to drop these in the oil. Put them for more flavors and drop them in. Then we're going to add our butter. Guys, I remember I don't have any pimento seeds, so I'm going to get two. So I have some pimento seeds. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to drop them in also. I'm going to press them as well. When you press them, you get some more flavor, guys. Trust me. You hear the crack? You know it's pressed when you hear the crack. I don't know if you can see it. This is what it looks like when it's pressed. Get them in there as well. You can just use this three also, alright? So we are going to, so this is the butter. So now some flavor bursting out. Next thing next. We're gonna go in with our turmeric powder. We're gonna allow it. Fire's on low, guys, so that's okay. Okay. Coconut oil. It's just like cooking a regular rice, guys. You just have to know what to put in first. Okay. So after we've done that, we're going to hear that. We're going to add on. We need a little bit more water, guys. our dry thyme. Next thing is our pepper also. We're gonna have our mixed vegetable. Our salt. Half a tablespoon. We're gonna put our scallion in. Put the fire on medium and allow that to boil before we incorporate our rice. Alright guys, so I normally do my scallion like this because I want some flavor to burst and the juice to come out properly. And then when I'm doing it now guys, just crush it so you can even see the juice on my hand. Yeah. So we're gonna stir everything together. It smells so good and everything. We're gonna put the fire on medium and allow it to come to a boil. But in the meantime, I'm going to wash my rice and get it ready. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you shortly. Don't know if you guys can see it, what it looks like for now. Alright. So you have to watch it because you don't want the coconut powder to boil up on the stove top. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave it to a boil and get back to you. So guys, in the meantime, I'm going to get my rice washed. Meanwhile, my turmeric and coconut milk is over here boiling and it smells so good. And that's on low. So I'm going to take the rice and normally when I say wash the rice, you don't mean wash with soap. You just look at with anything that just takes out and use some water just to wash it. And we have another saying here in Jamaica, if we cook rice with spoon, it won't swell. We need to wash the rice before we put it in, like 10 minutes to get it swell. I just go by it. I guess it's some generational thing, so I just go by it. I don't have a problem. Besides, I don't think I should eat the rice if I know that it's not washed. Even washed properly. If it's like parboiled and those rice, that's different, but I'm just talking about the white rice. I'm gonna wash this now. So guys, I washed it properly. Got it. I'm gonna allow it to sit now for 5 minutes before I put it in. But in the same time, let us check on what's going on over here. Oh! Guys, this is it. I'm going to fix the tripod just so you guys can see my plate. This is everything the rice, what the rice should be. So 5 minutes and then we'll get it in and allow it to steam. Alright, so guys, we are going to check to see where we stand. I adjusted the tripod so you guys can get a better view. Ooh, you see that steam? So this is it. This is it. Now look at all the vegetables. Turmeric, the coconut powder. This is it. Corn, carrot, string bean. I can see this pimento, the garlic, the scallion, the thyme, and the pepper. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put the rice in. Well, listen, if you use spoon to stir rice, it's not gonna swell with that. Well, I guess it's not gonna swell today because I ain't going for no fork. I'm using the spoon. That over there. And we're stirring. Look at it, it's already taking the color of the turmeric powder. Just stir it just so we're gonna allow it. On low, medium to low. Look at that. And then we'll come back and check on it. So it's on low heat, so I'm allowing it to steam. And then I'll get back. But it's on low, extremely low, so this is what it looks like, guys. Good, so I'm allowing it to steam properly. And I'll get back to you guys, okay? So I'm going to check back. This should be it, I think. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Perfect. Look at this. I'm gonna turn this. This is purple. This is how I want it. A little turmeric juice on it. This is how I want it. So I'm going to, no burns, everything can come together, all the vegetable, everything is there. So I'm going to turn off the fire off, present it and show it to you guys shortly. Alright, so this is my lovely turmeric rice. Oh my god, you know it would be the same if I didn't put some, little escallion, call it what you want, or green onion, spring onion, whatever you want. Sometimes I use parsley. I don't have any parsley, so I'm just gonna use this to top it off. So guys, this is my turmeric vegetable rice. This is my final result. You see the color? Be reminded, there is no pumpkin. It's just turmeric and coconut milk with the vegetables. See, everything is incorporated, all the spices, the herbs, everything. Look at that. Oh my god, this is delicious. So this is what I'm having today. I'm going to bake some chicken. So look guys, look at this. Look. Oh my god.